Alright, I had this product sent to me and we're going to do a review about it. It's called a AI wireless bridge. It's made by UeeVii. I've opened them up, but I haven't really... I'll show you what's in the boxes. Alright, so this is what it does. It's called a wireless bridge, and so you can have Wi-Fi signal at another building. And so you've got these two things, and what it does is it'll transfer Wi-Fi. Like here at our house, we've got Wi-Fi, but down there at our a workshop, we don't have Wi-Fi, and it'd be nice to have it for a smart TV or a security system or anything like that. So I'm gonna try to hook this up, and I'll show you what's in it. All right, so here's what you get with it: your cables and your clamps. And that's for your, so you can mount this stuff to a pole. So here's what they call their bridges. So one of these goes next to your house, and then one of them goes to wherever you want to send the signal. And here's your power adapters for each one, and the cables that go with it. And then here's some more clamps, and here's your mounting. It comes with mounting posts. Like they go like this. And then some screws and some stuff, I guess, if you want to mount, I guess, this part of it to something else. So we will put this together and get back with you. Okay, I've got them plugged up, testing them, and what you got to do is there's a switch right here. It's got an A and a B. The transmitter has to be on A, and then the receiver on B. As you can see, that switch is over to the right. Then you plug them in. I just got them plugged in here, like I said, testing them. And then this black button right here, you push that, and they've got to be on the same channel, and then they'll sync. And there's some lights on the side. And so right now, see, they're flashing. I've got it like that, so I'm gonna push this button. Maybe if I can get my hand in there. Let's see. There we go. Now let's see if they stop flashing. There they go. Now you can see the signal on the side of them. And whenever I pull my Wi-Fi up, I can see that I've got a Wi-Fi signal coming from this. So now that I've kind of got them halfway set up, oh, and yeah, and you got to take this bottom piece off right here. So now that I've got them halfway set up, we'll do set one up in the house and then put one down there by the workshop and see if they'll connect to each other. Okay, so I've just got a temporary setup here. You can see we've got a solid number 3. We're on channel 3, and this is on the A position because this is the transmitter, and I've got the receiver. So you can see I've not got anything special. I've just got this is just temporary. I just want to see if it'll work before I go to the trouble of mounting and everything. But I know they sent all that stuff, but this is as far as I would go, and that's about, I walked it off, I think it's about 65 yards down there. And so they are connected right now, and it's just kind of here. But I'll show you, I've got it, and I would rather do this because I don't want holes, drilling holes and everything. Let's see if I can zoom in. Down, you might be able to see it. See where that extension cord is? There, you can kind of see it in that top corner. I've got it hanging off that window right there. And they are... See, they are connected because that light's not, the number's not flashing. So I'm going to go down there and I will show you that I'm connected to the signal down there. So they're working. All right, here's the manual, and you can see the line of your channels over there. We're on channel 3, so you just look over here, and each channel you're on will have a different password. I typed in a password and it works, so that's how you do that. So here's our receiver, and I just put it down here, just hanging in the window where they're kind of looking at each other. But I've got signal. You can see we're connected. The other one's in the house, which is way over there. So it's a pretty good shot. Right inside that door right there is where the transmitter's sitting. And so I'm happy with it. Works better than advertised. Okay, so I broke everything down and brought it back in here. And it says it's indoor or outdoor. I used it indoor and it worked good. I was able to watch a YouTube video, and it's really, I just kind of set it up just to see if it would work. So probably what I would do is build a little bracket inside here where it would go through the window, just because I don't want wires and things, you know, being drilled through the house and things like that. But yeah, it worked as advertised or better. And yeah, I'm happy with it, and we're going to use it because this would be good for anybody that has any kind of outdoor buildings on their property that don't have Wi-Fi. And what I'm going to use it for is either a security system or a smart TV down there, something like that. And but yeah, we're gonna hook this up. It's just kind of a cold, snowy day today, so. But I appreciate UeeVii sending this for me, and I'll put a link in the description of the video. And I think that'll do it for this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.